Want to know how to get ExpressVPN without paying a cent? Well, you're in the right place. I've got 3 options: the ExpressVPN Free Trial, a 30-day money-back guarantee method, and one you may not have even heard about yet. Jumping right in, we'll start with the How to Get ExpressVPN Free Trial method. This provider allows you to sign up for their free version on both Android and iOS. Regardless of which device you use, the steps are basically the same, and then you can use ExpressVPN on other devices after the initial sign-up process. 1. Start by navigating to either the Google Play or App Store, then download the ExpressVPN app. 2. Once that's done, launch the app and press the Start Free Trial button. 3. The ExpressVPN Free Trial is only included in the 12-month plan, so be sure to select that one. 4. After confirming, you'll just need to enter payment information to have on file, but you won't be charged anything until the entire trial is over. If after the trial week you want to stick with ExpressVPN, the 1-year subscription cost will automatically be taken out, and the free plan will transition into a paid one. However, as long as you cancel the trial before the week is up, no payment will be deducted at all. 5. Now all that's left to do is check and agree to the terms and conditions, then give your device permission to complete the configuration. Canceling your subscription is really straightforward. Just make sure you do it no later than 24 hours before the trial ends. I'd actually advise doing it on the first day, since your free trial plan will last 7 days regardless. 1. This will need to be done on either desktop or mobile browser. Simply log into your account and navigate to the My Subscription menu. 2. If you're on a desktop device, then you'll first need to click on Edit Subscription Settings, but mobile devices can directly press the Turn Off Auto Renewal button. 3. Now, if you did use Apple Pay to sign up for your subscription, then you can directly cancel within the app rather than a browser. There is one noteworthy factor worth mentioning: ExpressVPN does actually have a higher price if you purchase it via the Google Play or App Store. If you want to grab a discount for your ExpressVPN subscription, then use the link in the description or QR code on screen for 49% off. All right, my next way to get ExpressVPN for free is by using their 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, this is a bit different than the free trial, as the initial payment will be taken out of your account. However, while using the ExpressVPN money-back method, you could ask for your refund anytime within the next 30 days. In the meantime, enjoy testing out all the app's features, and don't worry, getting the refund is a pretty straightforward process. Simply use the live chat or email to contact customer support. Okay, so my next method of getting ExpressVPN for free is by using their friend referral system. Every ExpressVPN member is given a referral code within their account. And if a friend signs up for their own account by using this link, then an additional 30 days will be added to your subscription. There's no cap on how many times you can take advantage of this offer, so if you're lucky enough to have a huge friend group, then you're looking at a lot of free ExpressVPN coming your way. Now that we've covered how is ExpressVPN free to use, you can check out all the benefits and features this app includes by watching this video on screen. It's a full ExpressVPN review and includes all you need to know. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.